This video is to help you navigate Unit 2B, Climate, Vegetation, and Resources. So everything basically is pages linked to pages. So like when you go to factors that affect climate, you can see that I made that a linkable landing page and there's links within it. And so whenever it tells you that there's a link, that means there's another Schoology page. Actually, that one didn't have any links. That means there's another Schoology page that's linked to that. So here would be all of the pages that are linked. So like when you look at Exploring Tropical Climate Zones, I did start with an Exploring Tropical Climate Zone landing page. So when you go to this page, it says in this lesson, you're going to learn about this, so on and so forth. And then notice it says click here. So that's for the videos. That shouldn't be a problem. But things like this, where it says characteristics of a tropical wet climate zone. Now, if I click it, it's going to open for me because I own it. So it knows where to find it on my Schoology. But since it's linked to my Schoology, you have to go get it from the folder. So you can see here, all of these were made into assignments. So if you go to like this tropical wet climate rainforest, you can see that it has the same link. So you got to find the characteristics of tropical wet climate zones, and the tropical wet climate zone acrostic, that should link you right to the website that it is. So characteristics of tropical wet climate zones, here it is. So this is the file that you have to find. Okay, you have to have this in Schoology, and then you go up here and you copy this, Control C to copy it, and then anywhere where I have made mention of that file, so you would go here, and here it is, tropical wet climate zone. Simply click on it. Sorry, that was not correct. Click beside it so you can get, okay, right here. And I want to actually link on it. Sorry, I need to be in edit mode. That's why it didn't work. Be in edit mode. And then you're going to click beside that link. Okay, and then just come up here to links and Control V and update that link. See, now even with me updating it, it wouldn't work for you because that's still my Schoology page. So what I'm doing is I'm linking it to a Schoology page. So anywhere where you find those characteristics of tropical wet dry climate zones, then you need to go to the Schoology page where we are in tropical climate zones, and then you would find that characteristics of tropical wet dry climates. So that's where they get the information. And then the other ones, the activity links, those links should all work for you because those are from an external site. So you should not have a problem when you click here, like to tropical wet zone acrostic. That should take you to puzzle.org or to Crossword Labs or Jeopardy Labs, whatever we were using. I think we used a word art in this one. So all of those should go to the site. The ones here that are the content that the students need are going to be inside of each folder. And as I said, you have to update the links in the landing page. So in each folder, the top one is the landing page. That's the page that you could, if you go in edit mode, you could set this so that it shows up on your students page by clicking right here, this little newspaper looking thing. If you click that, then when the students come to it, when they open their Schoology page, this is what's going to show up for them. And so it is nice to have all of those links working so they can just work through that page, click on the links, and go where they're going. But as I said, you will have to make sure all of those links are set up based on the things that are in the folder. Okay, so please let me know if that solves the problem for why you guys are getting private access. You get private access when it doesn't belong to you in Schoology, and all of these are Schoology links. So they're there, you just have to link them from your Schoology to the place where there's a link. All right.